and this one you can put camera on it. If I walk fast, you know.
But like that one. So are we picking it? Just hope it doesn't increase like drastically. 2 minutes. This brush does not leave any milk. Please, I'm done. I'm lip gloss, then I'm done.
I need a hand cream.
I'll see you guys when I see you.
Ankara sisters. No, that's the top. I need one that is like my height that I can stand.
It's super hard at things.
Yeah, and this one you can put camera on it. The one I have, you can't put camera on. And it's really for makeup.
Yeah, but that's what you call it.
Yeah, I'm doing it for skincare. You I told tripod.
Do you buy the makeup kits?
I'm done with my nails. I like it. I like the nails, the fingernails, the toenails though. The French tip was not tipping. I don't know, but it's not bad. And if I walk fast, you know. I'm supposed to go to church and create content with Dedo. So waiting for that. I just hope my storage space doesn't fail me. So yeah, when I settle, right now I'm in a hurry, so when I settle a bit, then I'll show you guys the nails. But it's pretty. It's very pretty. Glory to glory, from love to deeper loving, till we become more like you. Guys, Accra. I'm glad I'm traveling today because what? Hey, what kind of struggle is that? Is it for Eba? Is it for Gary?
For what? Is it for Eba? Is it for Gary? Is it for beans? I don't know.
Oh, I'm tired. I got the Holy Grail. So this is those clip lights that the people have been using. I don't know people, you know what people. So let me check how good the lightning is. I'm in my bathroom right now and I'm about to shoot something. So let's check. This is without the lights. So much noise in the front camera, but whoa. This thing is so bright, like I can't even see myself well. I'm very tired. I don't know if you can see from my face, but I am exhausted. So I'm about to do like some thorough skincare since I came back from church, I've been editing. Like I was in the bed, I was editing. By the time I realized I was on the floor, I was like, "Bro, what's happening?" I got some packages and some stuff. Yeah, packages basically, and they came in time for this video. So yeah, they are lip products and skincare. So I've always been scared to try new skincare. I don't know, but something has told me, see, if you don't take the risk to try new skincare products, you don't know what really works for you. So I got skincare products from Glowake. I don't know if that's any, yeah. This is not an ad for them, being paid to do this, so I'm just doing it. And I realized that their scrub contains turmeric. Like when you see it, you see that turmeric is inside. But turmeric sometimes reacts with my skin, especially when it's mixed with some other products. I don't know. So hey, which huge mosquito is this? Goodness. Oh, okay. Okay, no, I killed it. So yeah, and then I got their cleansing facial wash, and then probably come with a label, do better. But I'm sure this is rose water. I think it's rose water. And then this is their penetrate something. And then after that, I got lip products from Glossed by Elon. A friend posted it, and then I was like, oh, I want lip products. Like I've never used lip products before. So this is a lip mask. This is a lip scrub. This thing. Whenever I see people using it, I'm like, I want to use some. Like it's so cute. Like it's like a brush, but it's for your lips, not for your teeth or your edges. And it's really soft at this side. Like gosh, it's very soft, and then it's quite harder on this side. If I finish taking a bath, I don't like staying in the bath, and like the bathroom is icky to me. I need to do the whole facial first before I head into the bathroom to do my body, and then I step out. The first thing I'm going to use is the facial wash. I use twice daily. I'm not going to use this twice daily. My skin is not very bad. Let me wash my hand and get into it. I don't know if I've told you guys this before. Before you start your skincare, wash your hands. Your hands are dirty. Wash it. Wash it. Charlie, guys, content creation is difficult. It's underrated. It's a very difficult task to do. You can see me, that's the main thing. So yeah. I don't like the consistency. How does it feel like? How does it feel like? Dumb face. Oh, why is it playing in my eyes? Oh! Feels like snail musing. I'm done with the wash. It feels very good on the skin. I like how like it feels. I need to wipe my face. So, the next thing is the scrub. And I'll use it on my body, but let me use it on my face so that you guys see, so that I can like review it sort of vibes, you understand? It doesn't smell bad, but it doesn't smell good either. I don't like products that give me quite a nostalgic smell. Like consistency is good. Like it's like this is how it looks like. I like the fact that it feels soapy. The scrubs I've used so far, which is like just 2 or 3 scrubs in my life, they don't feel soapy, but this one feels very soapy. I don't like the feel of turmeric on my skin at all. It's not a 10, but it's not a 0 either. I think it's going low. Jesus is Lord. I'm gonna rinse this and get back to you guys. Doesn't feel bad. It feels like skincare. My light is going low. Since my light is going dim, I'm going to do the lip products too at once, so that'll be all. I don't know if you use the lip scrub. I think yeah. Actually, I'm a smart girl. So I'm using the lip scrub. I'm using the lip scrub for the first time. This is how it looks like. It smells great. It smells amazing. Really like.
I should have done it before and after.
One eternity later.
How long do you guys do this? Is it healthy? Like, is it healthy to taste it? Because I think I tasted it. My lips feel very soft. So next I'm going to go in with the spoon. I like this bubble. This house. Wobble wobble. Okay. I'm messing this up and it's not even funny anymore. Oh, look at it. Forgive my camera quality here. We'll be out of here soon. I'm going to be putting with this image stressful. And now I'm not supposed to put it away like, bro, what's up with it?
The next day.
Thank you.
Look at family.
God is good.
Editing Benedicta, and I'd like to say thank you so much for sticking and staying throughout 2023. Another year is coming. We're going to get bigger and better, and thank you. See you in 2024.